So I'm going to show you in today's video how to flip horizontal or flip vertical in Final Cut Pro. What you want to do is ensure your video is in the timeline, like so, and then you're going to press this transform button here. And once you've done that, you get these dots appear in the corner and in the middle. What you want to do if you want to flip horizontal, you have to grab the dot on the right. So I'm going to grab this middle right dot and then just drag it all the way to the left, like so. And there we've flipped the image or video horizontal. Now, if you want to flip vertical, you grab the dot here at the top and just pull it down, like so. And there you have flipped vertical. So that's how to flip horizontal and vertical in Final Cut Pro. Remember, you can sometimes overstretch it like this, but when it's level with the border, you can see it highlights yellow. So you should be able to see a yellow line just there. So bear that in mind if you are flipping to get the dimensions correct. But that's how to flip horizontal and vertical in Final Cut Pro. If you have any questions about this, just leave a comment in the comment section below, and thank you for watching.